Unraveling the meaning of twig frame. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing English phrase, twig frame. This might not be a term you hear every day, but it's a picturesque one with applications in both literal and figurative contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone who just loves picking up quirky new expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore what twig frame means and how you can use it in everyday English. When we break down the phrase, twig frame, we look at it in its most basic, literal sense. A twig is a small thin branch that has fallen or been cut from a tree or bush. A frame, on the other hand, is a border that surrounds and supports something, like a picture or a door. So, a twig frame literally refers to a frame made out of twigs. These are often used in rustic or natural decor, giving a charming and woodland feel to the item they surround. It's not just a term. It's a craft that's been embraced by DIY enthusiasts and professional designers alike. Now, let's get creative and look at the figurative uses. In English, we often use metaphors to convey concepts or describe something by comparing it to another thing. If we say someone has a twig frame, we could be figuratively describing a person who is very thin or delicate in build. It's a descriptive way to paint a picture of someone's physique that emphasizes their slightness in a somewhat poetic manner. Understanding how to use twig frame in a sentence will help you solidify its meaning. Let's look at both a literal and a figurative example. Literal: she decorated her living room wall with a beautiful twig frame she made during her summer camp. Figurative: the ballet dancer moved with such grace, her twig frame casting long shadows in the stage lights. And there you have it. Twig frame is one of those lovely phrases in English that brings a touch of nature into our language. Whether you're talking about actual home decor or poetically describing someone's appearance, this term can add a whimsical touch to your conversation or writing. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this expression with us and that you'll find ways to incorporate it into your own English usage. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.